Hey guys, it's me, Dodong Dave. Time check, it's 10:06 p.m. Nga, August 11, 2018. Ugma na gyud ang Bisaya Fan Fest. Sa para ka tumawa na kibaw, mo ni ang first ever Bisaya Fan Fest for the Visayas Mindanao area. Puy-puy kayo kamo to, bugat kayo mo kamera. Right now, na ako diri sa amuang rehearsal area along with my backup dancers, Chad, Josh, Loida, Michael. Ito lagi. Kuwang pa ni sila kay 6 din sila kabuok. So grabe ako pabuga sa ani kay first event and hopefully it's gonna be successful and hopefully kanang makatumig Davao, Cagayan and all the areas nga gusto niyo na montuan. Laban na ning tanan no. Bahalag way tog, basta kay malipay lang mong tanan. I hope to see you guys there. And if wala pa mo naka-like and subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button right there and then don't forget to ring the bell. Okay? So, shall we start rehearsing? Dong 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 dong. Hey guys, good morning! So, padung namin sa SM Seaside. Time check, 8:42 sa buntag. Yang one call time, 7 a.m. Labad sa ulo. So, nanadiri ako mga backup dancer. It's a Waitog! Naanami sa SM Seaside karon. Wala pa nangabli. Hey guys, so finally naabot na ako sa buong balay. Grabe kakapoy ang day pero it was a really good day. I got really cool stuff from AB Photography as well. Also from other people dito. Naalang sa sakyanan kapoy nagkuha. Thank you so much guys for coming. You made BFF 2018, the first ever Bisaya Fan Fest, a huge success. Hopefully, more events like this soon. Thank you guys, and once again, this is Dodong Dave, signing out! See ya! Time to go!